Hello again, Pietro here. So wanted to change it up. It's an outdoorsy watch. It's called the Nomad. You saw the thumbnail, right? And I'm inside an MSR tent. It goes for in the 400s. And I'm at one of my favorite stores that I've been frequenting for over 30 years. Technically, I was an employee for just one day. I did some grunt work and moved boxes and moved inventory for Out and Back. So the link's in the description. I tagged it for the location of this video, and we're in a tent inside a store. It's pretty cool. So the COROS Nomad, I think you've heard about it by now. It was released a few weeks ago. We got the trusty Leatherman right here. Do a little tent unboxing. I wanted to do this video on a lake, but it's been raining and we've had thunderstorms as of late. So I thought it'd be safer to do this indoors for now. But I will be doing a review on the water. This is just the initial unboxing. If I could get the box open. Yeah, COROS really likes their tape. Ta-da! There it is. The COROS Nomad GPS watch. Love the packaging. Nice and simple. We have a recycled box. We have adventure journaling. Oh, let's see, we have, this is going to be my new outdoor companion, adventure journaling. I can track my fishing trips, and it has precision meets progress. 40 activity modes, weeks of battery life, and the list goes on and on. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on, little. Just kind of scooch it off. Oh, you know, I don't think that's meant to just scooch off. We're just gonna have to rip that. Yep. There we go. Oh, it's a Velcro. Nice. Oh, that's pretty. So there's three colors. There's the green, there's the brown, and this is the dark gray. Explore perfection. And then in here, I'm thinking we have some, oh yes, the new charging dongle. That's so cool. And then you just attach a USB-C, and it has a little carrying case. So I will keep this with my keychain, and then I won't lose this one because I lost one already. So I have, this is my third COROS, and I'm down to 2 chargers, including this one. There we go. And knife safety, right, Malakwa? Thanks. Okay. I'm liking the design. It is different than the Vertex 2S. I won't be doing a side-by-side comparison. It's actually smaller. It feels lighter. I love the orange highlight. And let's turn it on for the first time. So we do have a digital dial, 3-button navigation, love it. They have the quick release bands, which is another nice feature. So if you want to dress this up and wear it to funerals, you could definitely get a black leather or maybe a silver Movado type, you know, tungsten band. Honestly, the only thing I think the Nomad is missing for me after I've read the specs is add solar panels, and I would be a happy camper. It looks like I need to charge this one. It is not turning on. All right, well, I'm going to charge this in the car, and then we'll go from here. So again, huge shout out to Out and Back for letting me film in the tent. And I'm filming on the Nemo table. You got to take a look at this. This is so much fun. It's a portable table that you can use for camping, hiking, glamping. Totally sturdy. That's what my tripod was on. And I don't know why. Come on, turn on. So there's your front view of the watch. There we go. And this is the Leatherman that I use. There's a nice close-up of the cool charger. I can't wait to go fishing with this watch. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and we'll be back.